Hi, Derek Fraser here from Coldstream Rod Shop. Just an update on where we are with the 32 Ford 5-window project. As you can see, it's now starting to look like a 32 5-window coupe. I've done quite a bit of work over the past few days, getting the doors ready. The driver's side door was actually the best one that we had. There were issues with it though. The hinges, whoever had cut the door off, decided to cut the hinges in half. So what that required was that I had to cut this out of that hinge and then find another hinge piece that would fit inside of the door. The other thing that I had to do was, since the pins were worn out, I had to drill and ream them for oversized pins. The driver's door actually went on quite well, relatively square. There is some issues with it because it's got the 1980s pop rivet repair on the bottom, which that shouldn't be too much of an issue to fix later on, but relatively speaking, the driver's door was probably the best one that I worked with so far. The passenger side door was a different thing altogether. This was actually the best door that we had to work with. As you can see, I had to weld a new bottom on, had to get to this piece and this piece off another set of doors. There's still two support pieces that go across here for that whole trim on that I'll put those on later. They're not really a structural piece. Right now the passenger door is actually square to the A-pillar, as is the driver's door, so I'm quite happy with that. That's why tonight I decided to take the leap and actually cut the sections here and then place the 5-window back off body onto the car. There's still a lot of work left to do. The next step is going to be to square up the B pillars and then make brackets for the bottom on the subframe. I'll cover that on another episode, but I just wanted to show everybody where we're at right now with the 5-window. Over on the pickup truck, I'm just going to grab the light here. On the pickup truck, since the last update, I've actually welded in the brackets for the defrost ducts, and then I also fashioned up an emergency brake bracket here. This was where I really wanted to have it, over on this side. I got to trim up the little welds here and whatnot onto it, make it a little prettier, but structurally right now that's on there really good. The cables will just go down here into the back later on, but it's where I want it to be, nice and neat and tidy. I did have to cut a hole in my nice little transmission tunnel that I was so proud of when I made it, but it's gonna look all right. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in about 5 to 7 days after I do the next video. Anyway, take care everybody. Have a good one.